Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can see the people who unfollow you on Instagram. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that we are going to want to do is just get follow co. We are not going to use reports plus, as you will see in other tutorials, because that app is not available on Android. So this works for sure on Android. Just get follow co and open it up. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to log into your Instagram account. I'm already logged into my account, and as you can see right here, I have a bunch of options like seeing who's not following me back, who's blocked me, which actually requests a payment, lost followers, profile viewers, which again requires paying, story viewers, and the people who are not following you back. What we are interested in last followers. My list is currently empty because I just installed the app, but let's say if someone unfollows from me, from this point on, it will show up on my app here on lost followers. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. After you get this app, you will be able to see who unfollows you on your Instagram account. Sadly, you can't see the people who have unfollowed you in the past, but from this point on, you should be able to see them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.